hair. This hair, because you love it. Like I'm loving this hair. There's another hair again I'm supposed to do review for it, which it was Franja. Maybe I will use picture to just do it. Then on a good day I'm gonna style it. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I love you. Okay guys, yeah, so we are going today to bed, and at the same time we went for shopping. Did you guys want to see Serena Mia? I'm gonna show Serena Mia to you guys. I didn't vlog it inside because I was in a hurry and I don't need anything to distract me. I really want to concentrate, so that is why I didn't vlog it, guys. Okay, so we are going home now. I'm going home now to dress, and yeah, okay guys, I will show you guys what I have. Okay, keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going home now. I will show you guys what I have. Okay, just keep watching, and I will dress. Okay guys, once I get home I will surely show you guys what we have inside our bag. Okay, keep watching. Guys, here is the gift. I will leave it inside the car, then I will be showing the one that I have for my kids and I. Okay, so that is the gift. I will leave it inside the car, and I'm going to dress up. I'm going to do light makeup, then I prepare food for hubby, and we go. Okay guys, yeah, keep watching as we go inside. Okay guys, we are home now. I'm going to be showing you guys what I have today. I'm wearing one of the leggings. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can go back. Okay, I'm wearing one of the leggings. You guys can see it. I'm wearing one of the leggings. The leggings is gorgeous. Maybe on picture you will be seeing it on picture. I'm wearing one of the leggings already, and the gift I need to go and change it because the size is a little bit too small for the baby. The baby is just 10 years, just like my daughter, but they are wearing my size. Can you imagine? We are wearing 14 years. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are the other things I have from OBS. Okay guys, yeah, I have this pajama for Serena Mia. Okay, this pajamas is beautiful. I just love the color. These are color here. I love it. The color is beautiful. I love it. And she have a lot of pajamas, and this other one too. This one is for baby boy, but I just love it because of this thing here. I have similar jeggings like this. This one also is for Serena Mia. Okay, I don't buy that much of clothes like before I do buy without controlling. Okay, this very one is for Sophia, which is about 12 to 13 years, because all these baby girls, they are bigger than their mother. Yeah, this one is 12 to 13 years, and it's also from OVS. Okay, the price is just €7.95, €8, and this one is €9. Okay, can you see that? This one is €9. While this pajama is this pajama is €9. This one that I'm wearing is about €9 or so, if I'm not making mistake, because it's of the same €9. And here I have one lip gloss. I also buy one lip gloss for myself because I want to try this lip gloss. This lip gloss is just €2 something. Your smile give me joy, mama. It's beautiful. €2 something lip gloss. Who cares? So that is why whenever I have anybody joining my membership, even if it's €1 membership, I appreciate it, because after 3 months I can be able to buy one lipstick out of the membership. It's something, lipstick, using it to pop, to smile for you guys. Keep watching. And we have the stockies for the kids, and these stockies, I don't know how much it is. Okay, the stockies is €8. Okay, €7.95, €8. Okay, €8. I also have one for baby girl. 8 also. No, 6. And this one that I'm wearing, the jeggings here, I don't want to pull it. And the one Serena is wearing also, let me show you that Serena. Okay, and this one that Serena is wearing is 20 euro. Okay, guys. This one that she's wearing is 20 euro. Okay, yeah, this very thin here is 20 euro. I saw it, I love it, because she have one that she normally puts on when going out, which is that cheese color, that was the gray one. Oh, she have used that very thin. When I'm that very one, I think I spent about 30 something euro, so I can't remember. I did a review for it, which it was Okaidi, you guys can remember. So this one was not expensive, it just 20 euro. What a cheeky change. So that 20 euro is a nice gift for her to enjoy going out every day, you know. Now I don't buy clothes like before because I don't need more kids, okay? I don't need more babies. So, and another thing that I have, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, I'm coming back, guys. I don't want to be buying too much. So today I just need to also go out there and save some money, you know. So this one. So this one, okay, this is supposed to be for Sophia also, and this leggings, this one is for me, okay, like going out. I love leggings, guys. If you know how many jeans, like the gift from my husband's sister, I even have some jeans that is really expensive. I have Dolce & Gabbana, Versace, Guess, and there is another one again, Tunk on, I can't remember Tunk. All those their jeans is expensive. Let's not talk about the one of a Basca, whatever they call it. I have a lot of jeans. Oh my god, my jeans, the pairs of jeans that I have down here, one place is full of jeans. I can't even count, maybe more than 50. What is 50? More than 50 jeans. But when it comes to leggings, these things, I love this leggings more than jeans that worth 200 or 300 euro. Just 8 euro leggings, I love it more than that jeans, because whatever I'm putting on jeans, I feel healthy, not sportive. It will make me to be gorgeous and calm and not smart enough when putting on leggings. So whenever I'm putting on leggings, I do like you know, those kind of things. So that is it, guys. When I'm putting on jeans, I'm like but when I'm putting on leggings, okay. So guys, that is the little thing that I went out to buy today. This lip gloss. There's something is telling me that I have something somewhere which I haven't shown you guys. This leggings, Serena top. Which other thing? My baby girl is wearing the same top. We went out with the same top. How my daughter, I want both of us, we are going to be dressing the same. Soon Serena will join also. Whenever I'm going out, Sophia will wear this, I will wear this. Like today I wore this, Sophia was wearing the black one. So that is it. Okay, I love it. That is mother and daughter tag. So guys, this is the little thing that we have for you, or in case I have more other things, I will surely bring it to the table. Enjoy the video and plus the birthday and all that. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I love you. Hey my queens, we are going out today for birthday, and I'm going out for shopping for the birthday gift and also a little thing. Let me see if I can find 1 or 2 things that I love for myself. It's a lot. I'm already back from the shopping. I mean, I bought a lot. I bought a lot. No, subscribe. Thank you for coming. Easy girl. This air. This air, because you love it. Like I'm loving this air. There's another air again. I'm supposed to do review for it, which it was franja. Maybe I will use picture to just do it. Then on a good day, I'm gonna style it. Yeah, thank you for watching, and mwah, I love you. Ok, va. Dopo lo metto musica, un po' tutto. Non ti vedo? Faccio YouTube.